Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mom. Happy birthday to you.
My goodness.
Happy 95th.
Well, you get a picture from
goodness,
this side.
Look at that.
Will
Spin
you?
it around. Alan, touch that little white button in the corner for a picture.
Oh, gotcha. 1, 2, 3. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ish.
Neat. You're 95 and fabulous. And then blow out your candles.
Okay.
You might have to turn it around. It'd be a test to see if you can blow through that happy
Okay.
birthday sign.
Look at that, Jim. See?
Yay!
Yay.
You get your wish.
95. Whoop-de-doo.
Can't beat that kind of dessert. One.
Mom's 95th birthday. There she is. Hey, hey. Dad, you like your dessert?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
That's good.
What happened 60 years ago?
Golf 6 years ago.
Oh, 6 years ago.
It was at
Says, you are really great, 95 years old. Probably the best ever. Believe me, you are really terrific. I'm 18 with 77 years of experience.